In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Figma. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type Figma, then click the official link to open the website. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and log in so you can create and edit files right away. Once you're in, create a blank design file. This gives you a clean canvas to work on. You can add a frame if you want, but a plain canvas works perfectly for testing how different fonts look and feel. Now let's place some text. Select the text tool from the top toolbar, or press the T key as a shortcut. Click anywhere on the canvas and type a word or sentence you can experiment with. Using a slightly longer phrase helps you judge spacing and readability more accurately. With your text layer selected, adjust the font size so it's easy to see. Look to the right-hand Properties panel and find the size field. You can type an exact value, like 24 or 48, or use the up and down arrows to nudge the size until it feels right. Try not to rely on scaling the bounding box. Setting the size directly keeps your typography consistent and predictable. Next, open the font controls. Click the current font name in the same right-hand panel to reveal Figma's font picker. This is where you'll browse available typefaces. There's a search bar at the top, which is handy if you already know the font you want. From here, choose a font you like. As soon as you click a font, your text updates instantly on the canvas so you can see how it looks in context. If the family offers multiple styles, like regular, medium, or bold, you can switch between those to fine-tune the weight and emphasis. You can also glance at line height and letter spacing nearby to polish overall readability without changing the design intent. A quick note on availability. In the browser, Figma lists many web fonts. Custom fonts installed on your computer appear in the desktop app or after enabling the Figma Font Helper. Restart Figma if a new font doesn't show. And that's it. You opened Figma, created a blank design, added text, adjusted the size, and picked the font that fits your design. Practice swapping typefaces and sizes to build a type system that feels cohesive and clear, and soon you'll be choosing fonts with confidence in every project.